and today it is time for our Lush Kitchen subscription box. You guys, I am honestly a little bit late unboxing this month, as I'm sure you guys can tell. What is it? What is it today? The 14th? The 13th. Ooh. This box actually came a little bit later this month. Like, sometimes I swear I will get these boxes on like the first of the month, and sometimes they take like a week or something. I feel like I've had this now for about 4 days. So Lush was a little late. I'm a little late. Everybody's a little late. Happy June. I'm very excited to see what is in this box. Although there is one wacky item in here that I actually like got an email about from Lush. So yes, when we come across that one, I will tell you guys which item it is. You guys, I'm down here struggling to open this box. I did see a rumor online about maybe some of the items in this box being SpongeBob themed, and I would literally be so excited if that is true. I did see some photos of a upcoming Lush SpongeBob collab. I honestly could not be more excited for that. We recently saw a Lush Mario collab for the new Mario movie, and you guys, I feel like it's really fun to see Lush doing some collabs like that, because I feel like back in ye olden days they never did collabs. I'm gonna go ahead and throw this to the side for right now. Oh my god, you guys! This is so cute. Okay, I don't think it's gonna be SpongeBob themed. We squeeze the whole fruit in fresh. I like this, and look at how adorable the card is. Fresh fruit, super cute. Squeeze the day. I guess that's the theme. So you guys, if y'all have watched these before, you already know the drill. Once we take everything out of the box, I'm gonna scan the QR code. I'll tell you guys some additional info about the items, but for right now, make a wish. Also, I've been seeing people talk about the Lush packing peanuts lately online. So the cool thing about these is they're not like traditional styrofoam peanuts. They actually do dissolve in water. There's even been talk over the years of people eating them, which I would not recommend. But all right, you guys, up first, we've got Lush Lime kitchen exclusive shower smoothie. I feel like I recently started trying the shower smoothies. I'm pretty sure, no, that was not my first one, but I don't know. I recently got another one in a Lush kitchen subscription box, and it was amazing. Okay, get the zest kind of clean with fresh strawberries and zingy organic lime juice. Oh my god, you guys, this smells like a fruit smoothie almost. Oh my god. Take me to Jamba Juice. I recently was thinking about other discontinued Lush products that I miss so much. I wish, oh my god, I wish they would bring back the DeFluff shaving. It was like a shaving cream, shaving butter. Shaving soap. I don't remember what they used to call it, but oh my god, I miss that so much. All right, we've got another pot. This time we have Happy Blooming deep red cherry infusion and rich coconut cream blend for a fruity, velvety, soft lather. Oh my god, look at that. Do you guys love the jelly soaps? Oh my god, you guys, I love cherry scented stuff, and this is bringing back nostalgic scents for me. This smells like Lip Smacker, Bonnie Bell. It has that kind of 90s cherry scent to it. Oh my god, I love it. All right, digging deeper. Ooh, I'm so excited. Yes. These are some of my favorite items to get in the kitchen subscription box, honestly, is the shower gels. Dogman and I have the whole collection of limited edition shower gels in the shower, and I feel like we're always grabbing different ones. Yummy, yummy, yummy. This is a big bottle too. I swear this is larger than what you normally get in the subscription boxes. So this says lather up with this sunny strawberry infusion and cold pressed passion seed oil wash for a soft, sweetly scented skin. All right, let's peel off our little safety seal. Oh my God, you guys, I swear this smells just like that fluff that I was just talking about. Oh my God, can you imagine I just pull that out of the box? That would be too amazing. Cause like I have been thinking about that so much lately because I feel like recently we were talking about a lot of Lush discontinued products because they've been bringing some of them back. And then that was something they said that they were gonna do with this subscription box is sometimes bring back like retired products and everything. Oh my God, but that smells just like it. Nostalgia. All right, raspberry lime body lotion. Smell fab, fresh, and fruity with this ultra hydrating almond and raspberry seed oil lotion. You guys, I feel like so lucky in this month's box because I feel like it's all scents that I love, like love. And it's like my favorite types of Lush products too. Ooh, okay, we have a little kind of like on the side of the thing here. So I'm gonna try and like put on the zesty, what was this called? I like literally can't even remember what I just read. Ooh, this has a very nice scent to it, but it's not super strong. I feel like sometimes people are really like turned off of scented body lotions and stuff because they think it's gonna be like too overpowering. Yeah, but I feel like this is just like the right amount of scent. Like, although I do love like heavy scents myself, I love like layering scents. I love like grandmotherly scents. I love it all. All right, you guys, I'm so sad that it looks like we have one product left, and this is the wild one. Ooh, it smells so good though. This is what it looks like. Now, let me see if I can figure out, you know what? Stay tuned for the danger. I'm gonna scan the thing and then we'll talk about it because I don't even know what it's called. And I feel like we get more information here than here. So let me take that picture. I'll be right back. I'm sure I'm including over here some of the footage. Once you scan the QR code, they actually take you into the Lush factory and you get to see them making all of the products from that month's box. I love it. I honestly love to just watch like all the stuff being poured into the little jars and stuff. So relaxing, you know? Okay, so on to this product, which is called the Big Strawberry. And I thought it was going to be like in big letters, like what they were talking about in this email, because they said somewhere it was printed by mistake that you could put this in a wax warmer. That is actually only like really fine printedly written right here. So they just wanted to like send an email out, I guess, to just like warn everybody, like, don't try and put this in a wax melter. Although it doesn't really feel like it would ever melt anyway, but it is a kitchen exclusive, which means this was not like a community pick. It was not voted on. I'm sure you guys already know the process. This is a box that you can have input what products actually get put in it. They send out like a poll. I don't know why I can't think of the word for this right now. Survey. And they say like, hey, these are all the items that could be in the box. Which ones would you want? So this was actually just put in as like a surprise, I guess you would say, or like in the box. I don't know. Anyway, it's called the Big Strawberry Kitchen Exclusive Bath Melt. Soften skin while you soak in organic cocoa and shea butters and beautifully brightening fresh strawberries. It has a little bit more floral notes to me than this guy, the Yummy Yummy Yummy. You're in luck this month if you love strawberry scented things. So yeah, I feel like this would be like really complimentary with this product. I know a lot of people, and I like to do this sometimes too, where you like layer in one bath, like you'll combine like a body wash and a little bit of a bath melt. Let me know if you do that too. Do you like to like mix Lush products together? Up next, Raspberry Lime. This is also a kitchen exclusive body lotion. Enjoy this light and hydrating lotion made with fresh raspberries and conditioning fair trade organic cocoa butter. All right, up next, this is a community pick. So this was selected and voted on. This is the kitchen exclusive shower smoothie. And it says this fruity smoothie cleanses and softens with nourishing fresh butternut squash and uplifting fresh lime juice. All right, up next, Happy Blooming, another community pick. So this is the shower jelly, and it says revitalizing coconut water will soothe your skin while rich coconut cream creates a velvety soft lather. And then what is the last thing? Oh my gosh. Oh, here it is. I was like, did I not take a picture of this? So this is the last item, and it's a community pick. So this is the shower gel, moisturizing organic cold pressed passion seed oil and exfoliating fine sea salt will leave your skin soft and sweetly scented. I'm gonna have to say it's really tough for me to pick which item is my favorite between the Happy Blooming Cherry Nostalgic Scented Jelly or this, which smells like one of my all-time favorite Lush products. Like I told you guys, I miss it so much. So honestly, the only bad thing about this box, in my opinion, is with art this cute. I wish they would have commemorated this on, like, I don't know, a notepad, like maybe like a little journal like we saw in the first box, like the Halloween box, or a tote bag would have been amazing. Or this would have made such a cute Lush wrap. I keep wondering if we're ever gonna get one of those in the kitchen subscription box because I feel like that would be such a cute item to get. And I love recycling the Lush wraps. You know, like you get the little gift sets and stuff sometimes, and they have the Lush like tie wraps. I feel like that would have been so cute. Like, look at these. I'm definitely gonna cut this out and at least keep it for my junk journal because I do like the sassy little fruits. Another successful month in my opinion. I love these products and I love the scent of these. This has to be like, as far as scent profile, this has to be like one of my favorite months of all time. But I love strawberries, cherries, limes, and other like just fresh fruity scents. And once again, I have to say, I feel like they really knocked it out of the park for like what feels like entering summertime. Do you know what I'm saying? Like I feel like fruity kind of scents is great for like June and July, like when we're all out in the sun doing fun things. And I feel like that's something that Lush does every month really well, is like whatever the season is, I feel like they really like perfectly pair scent notes for that season. Anyway, you guys, enough rambling from me today. Let me know you guys' thoughts about this month's box, and let me know if there is some Lush products out there that you're remembering, that you're missing, that you wish they would bring back. Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for hanging out today and for watching. If you're not already and you'd like to be, hit the button down below. Subscribe, become a member of the Swamp family, and give an alligator its wings. I love you guys so much, and I'll be back again very, very soon. Bye!